Ever been on the brink of financial freedom only to be stumped by a missing email? Imagine this, you've just landed a side hustle gig and payment is coming through e-transfer. But there's one tiny problem, you can't remember your Koho e-transfer email. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Koho and unearthing that elusive email address. Let's face it, Koho is a fantastic tool for managing your money. It's sleek, it's smart, and it's supposed to simplify your financial life. But when it comes to finding that magical email for e-transfers, it can feel like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this email is so important. Your Koho e-transfer email is essentially your digital wallet's address. It's where all those hard-earned bucks are going to land. So, losing track of it is like losing your wallet, inconvenient, to say the least. Okay, let's get down to business. The first and most obvious place to look is within the Koho app itself. Think of it as your financial command center. Open up the app and start exploring. Look for any settings, preferences, or account information sections. There's a good chance your e-transfer email is hiding in plain sight. If you've scoured the app and still come up empty-handed, don't panic. There's another potential goldmine, your email inbox. It's possible that Koho sent you an email with this information when you first set up your account. Do a quick search for emails from Koho. Look for any welcome emails, account verification messages, or anything that might contain your e-transfer details. Still no luck? Let's try a different approach. If you're comfortable sharing your information with Koho's customer support, reach out to them. They're the experts, after all. Explain your situation clearly and politely. Chances are, they can help you track down that elusive email. Remember, when dealing with financial information, security is paramount. Be cautious about sharing personal details online. Always verify the legitimacy of any website or communication before providing sensitive information. Now, let's talk about preventing this headache in the future. Once you've found your Koho e-transfer email, consider saving it in a secure place. You could create a password-protected document or use a reliable password manager. This way, you'll always have it on hand when you need it. And there you have it. With a bit of digging and patience, you should be able to find your Koho e-transfer email. Remember, technology can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can overcome any challenge. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.